If your garage door opener keypad display is not working, replacing the keypad is usually the quickest and most straightforward fix you can do yourself. So, first, make sure the keypad actually needs replacing, and it's not just dead batteries. If it's battery powered, swap those out with fresh ones and see if that lights it up. If nothing changes, check the wiring between the keypad and the garage door opener motor. Sometimes wires get loose or corroded. When you're ready to replace the keypad, get one that matches your opener model to avoid compatibility headaches. Turn off the power to the garage door opener before starting to avoid any shocks or accidental door triggers. Take a picture of how the old keypad wires are connected so you don't mess it up when attaching the new one. After swapping in the new keypad, follow the manufacturer's instructions to sync it with your garage door opener system. Test it a few times to confirm everything's smooth before you call it done. And don't forget to program your new keypad code so you're not locked out of your own garage. One of the biggest issues with garage door opener keypad displays not working is dead or drained batteries, which is an easy fix by just swapping them out. Another common problem is faulty wiring or loose connections. Make sure to inspect and secure all wires properly to avoid this. The third typical mistake is buying an incompatible replacement keypad, which leads to frustration because it won't sync or function right. Always check your garage door opener model number and buy accordingly. The fix for this last one is simple. Double-check compatibility before purchasing and follow the setup guide carefully. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors for any home upgrade, including garage door repairs or replacements. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who need their services in their area.